Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears huge. Creating an enormous gummy bear is a fun project that requires a few key adjustments to a standard recipe. We will focus on scaling up ingredients and using the right equipment to achieve a truly massive treat. Get ready to transform tiny candies into a colossal confection that will impress everyone. This process is simpler than you might think, and the results are incredibly satisfying. To begin your giant gummy adventure, you will need about 1 cup of unflavored gelatin, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 small boxes of flavored gelatin for taste and color. For tools, a large silicone mold, perhaps 6 to 8 inches tall, is crucial. Also, have a medium saucepan, a whisk, and accurate measuring cups ready. These items are the foundation for your colossal candy creation. First, bloom your unflavored gelatin by sprinkling it over 1 cup of cold water in a bowl. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar with another cup of water and heat it over medium heat, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. Next, add the bloomed gelatin to the warm sugar mixture, whisking until it is fully incorporated and smooth. Finally, stir in your flavored gelatin until no lumps remain. Once your gummy mixture is ready, carefully pour it into your chosen large silicone mold. Make sure the mold is on a flat, stable surface before transferring it to the refrigerator. This prevents any spills or uneven setting. Allow your giant gummy bear to chill undisturbed for a minimum of 8 to 12 hours, or even overnight, to ensure it sets perfectly firm. When fully set, gently unmold your impressive, colossal gummy bear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.